Thanks to technology, we're more connected than ever before, but yet it also feels like we're a lot further away from each other because we use things like social media to talk to other people rather than actually walking up and shaking their hand and sitting down and having a coffee. And with the introduction of AI, things like ChatGPT, we now can have a conversation with a computer and it'll talk back to us. But do you ever miss human interaction? And it's probably a good time to remember the human library in Denmark. So rather than going to the library and borrowing a traditional book, you go to the library and you sit down and meet people who have experiences and knowledge that you might seek yourself. And these are people from all walks of life. We've got bipolar people, somebody here with extreme body modifications, homeless people, refugees. These are people that in some way we could all learn something from. But as humans, we seem to be getting more and more down that rabbit hole of talking to computers and only meeting people online. Now, COVID happened, admittedly, and we were obviously encouraged not to have physical interactions with other humans. But COVID has kind of simmered down a little bit, and now we don't have the same reasons to not speak to other people. So personally, whilst I think that computer-based AI is a wonderful thing if used correctly, it can really enhance and enrich our lives, but nothing beats human eye. We can skip the A because it's not artificial. The interactions that we can have with another human are some of the best that we're ever going to have. I love technology, always have, and I always will. But as I get a little bit older and AI becomes part of my life, it's when you start to realise that the human interactions are the ones where the real jewels are to be found. Whilst AI can do so many wonderful things, what it can't do is give you friendship, love, a hug, and it won't replace people. The human library. What a great idea. Maybe I'll see you there one day.